Hello, I am Swati Zadav from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akudi. This video is based upon Week 2 activity under International FDP on Environment and Sustainability. This slide indicates Week 1 activity video details. In Week 1, I have covered the construction, working and applications of semiconductor gas sensor along with different aspects of its sustainability. In Week 2, the video is based upon the standards associated with the gas sensor. Gas sensors are used for environment monitoring, in safety system for fire alarms, in industrial process control system, and for indoor or cabin air quality monitoring in automobiles. Consider gas sensor as an electronic device. So with respect to that, there are two standards. The CE standard is marked on electronic appliances and devices. The standard ensures health, safety and environment protection. Second, the UL standard. It ensures occupational safety and health administration, which is abbreviated as OSHA. Air quality measurement standards for the gas sensor. So these are the different standards listed. The quality of air is analyzed using different quality measurement standards. ISO 11222 determines the uncertainty in air quality measurement taking averages over the time. ISO 14956 gives air quality measurement by comparing the uncertainty. ISO 4226 comprises the units based for or used for the air quality measurement, and ISO 20988 provides statistical method for air quality measurement. The standards related to indoor air quality are listed. ISO 16814 provides the method for indoor air quality for human occupancy. ISO 16000 provides guidelines for indoor air quality management system. The technical report based on ISO 17772 standard provides assessment of energy performance of building based on input from indoor environment. When the gas sensors are used in process industries for monitoring purpose, it is interfaced with actuators as per the standard 21451. This standard consists of the network capable application processor information model. Now next standard deals with the interior air quality of road vehicles. The pollutants enter the car cabin through air vents or through other opening. So air quality inside the cabin of any vehicle is 4 to 5 times worse than the quality outside the vehicle. The ISO 12219 standard deals with air quality control system of automotive cabin, while ISO 11155 deals with the air filters used in passenger compartment. The standard related to smoke alarm. The ISO 12223 139 standard provides guidelines about test method, performance criteria and instructions to the manufacturer for smoke alarm system. Conclusion: different ISO standards with respect to construction and applications of gas sensor are explained. Thank you.